From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
And a very good Thursday morning. The winter storm has been the big story this week, and we are going to be tracking it nonstop throughout the day here with the Campus Weather Service. So right now across Johnstown, you can see clearly we have some snow starting to develop that's already on parts of the trees. You can see out as we look in our camera, temperatures coming in right now 26 degrees, so very chilly. As we look across the Penn State golf courses down towards our south, you can see that the clouds are building in. The storm is going to be approaching from the southwest. We don't see any precipitation right now, but that will all change in the next coming hours. Temperatures currently coming in right now at 28 degrees. Our dew point at 16, which is very important because the air is pretty dry right now. So once that precipitation does start to come in, it's going to take some time to allow for the temperatures to kind of meet with our dew point. That's going to provide us with a more moist atmosphere. East wind right now at 11 miles per hour. The latest updates with our weather headlines and our winter storm warnings extending all across central Pennsylvania up towards our north and parts of Clinton County, down towards our south in Blair and Somerset counties and Bedford County. You're still continuing to see that winter storm warning. That's going to be in effect until Friday morning at 6 a.m. Everywhere else you see, though, in purple is where we have winter weather advisories, and that's because we have more of a mixing situation going on there, or we have some rain down towards our south and east where temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer. Radar and satellite currently showing that we do have the precipitation clearly down towards our south and west. Parts of Johnstown already seeing some precipitation there, and as you get closer towards Pittsburgh, we're seeing more of a mix there as temperatures are a tad bit warmer. Here across State College and the rest of central Pennsylvania, we haven't seen any precipitation yet, but I'd say in the next 2 to 3 hours is when we're going to start to see some of the precipitation starting to affect us here. With our system, we have this coastal low that's starting to develop down towards the South Carolina coastline right now. That's going to merge with this upper level low that's centered right over parts of Kentucky and Tennessee. And when that energy is going to transfer, you're going to see this moving towards the coastal storm, and that's going to come up the coast and affect us with the mid-Atlantic and the northeast in terms of our precipitation. Temperatures right now, a big factor with the storm as well, as we're going to have a big mixing situation with this. 28 degrees currently in State College, 26 down in Johnstown. Temperatures closer to the freezing mark at 31 in Pittsburgh, so that's why we're seeing more of a mixed precipitation going on currently. With the winter storm, we are going to stay pretty much snow here at State College throughout much of the day. We might see some sleet mixing in earlier this afternoon that might actually justify some of our snow totals here across the region. Hazardous travel today, so if you are heading out, make sure you do take it slow or just try not to go out at all, especially later into the afternoon and the evening hours when we do expect the roads to be at their worst condition. We could see some change back towards mostly snow, especially tonight into early Friday morning, as those winds are going to be shifting out of the northwest and being a little bit colder throughout the evening hours. And just to time this out for you, as we look around the 9 a.m. hour, we're really not seeing any precipitation, mostly still down towards our south and west. That is all going to change, though, as we head towards around the lunchtime hour, 11:30. Snow is going to start to impact us here. Temperatures in State College, 26 degrees, so very cold enough for anything to fall will stick at the surface. As we look later into the afternoon, around 1:30, heavier snow moves in for us here in State College. More rain down towards our south and west as temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer, 34 degrees in Pittsburgh. As we get closer towards the evening hours, around 6 p.m. tonight, we're still seeing mostly snow here across State College, but you can see a lot of rain down towards our south and east. Temperatures in Philadelphia are going to be closer near the lower to mid 40s. As we look towards the evening hours, still remaining pretty much snow here across State College, but that we will be monitoring the potential for some mixing as temperatures are going to be closer and a little bit warmer near the freezing mark. In terms of our forecast for snow from the Campus Weather Service, we are expecting 4 to 8 inches up towards our north, 2 to 4 inches down towards our south, towards the Mason-Dixon line. Here in State College, though, we are expecting around the 4-inch mark. Depending on how much sleet and mixed precipitation will determine if we get a little bit above or below for our snow totals. And your 7-day forecast from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, once we get through this, the next 24 hours or so, we are going to remain pretty dry throughout the next 7 days. Temperatures are going to be below average from what we typically see in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees for mid-November. So continue to stay with us here at the Campus Weather Service for the latest updates. We'll be doing live coverage tonight at 8 o'clock tonight. So join us on Facebook and stay safe today as you are heading out.